Biodemographic parameters of Spodoptera frugiperda Smith, 1797, Lepidoptera, Noctuidae, a pest of maize crop, Zea maize linnaeus, 1753 in sub-Sudanese zone of Côte d'Ivoire. This article is written by 4 authors. First author Stephanie Manuela Clemanzonia Akisikonan. Second author Leah Kansai. Third author Henok Jacques Meva Dakuri. Last author Nandanat Roi Louis Abawa. Contribution and originality of the study is that, since the introduction of Spodoptera frugiperda in Côte d'Ivoire, maize production has decreased. Within the framework of biological control, this work addressed the effect of season on the life cycle of Spodoptera frugiperda in sub-Sudanese zone, main zone of maize production in Côte d'Ivoire. Spodoptera frugiperda is one of the main pests of maize, Zea maize L, in Côte d'Ivoire. The control of this insect requires knowledge of biological and demographic parameters. The need to know the effect of seasons on the biodemographic parameters of Spodoptera frugiperda in Côte d'Ivoire led us to carry out work in the sub-Sudanese zone. The study was carried out in dry and rainy seasons on a maize plot from 2020 to 2021. The monitoring of newly emerged individuals on 3-week-old early variety with semi-serrated grains, EV8728SR, maize plants under semi-natural conditions. The development cycle consisted of 6 larva stages. The development time was 27.93 plus or minus 1.01 days in dry season and 32.47 plus or minus 1.83 days in rainy season. Larval survival rates ranged from 85.79 to 100% in dry season and from 74.64 to 94.7% in rainy season. The average egg fertility rate was 21.19 plus or minus 5.89% in dry season and 40.36 plus or minus 8.49% in rainy season. The sex ratio was in favor of females. The net reproduction rate, Rho, and intrinsic rate of natural increase, RM, were highest in rainy season at 27.67 plus or minus 7.82 and 0.26 plus or minus 0.01 respectively. Spodoptera frugiperda performs much better in rainy season at temperatures between 25.1 degrees Celsius to 26.2 degrees Celsius due to a slow development time of 32.47 plus or minus 1.83 days, a short population doubling time (DT) of 2.62 plus or minus 0.13 and a high net reproduction rate (Rho) of 27.67 plus or minus 7.82. Thanks for